Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we're going to dive into one of Tableau's most powerful features, stories. Have you ever built amazing dashboards but struggled to present them in a clear, narrative way? That's where stories come in. They let you guide your audience through your data, one point at a time, creating a compelling narrative that is easy to follow. Let's get started with how to create your first story. To begin, look at the bottom of your Tableau workbook where you see the tabs for your worksheets and dashboards. Right next to them, there is an icon that looks like a book. This is the New Story button. Simply click on it, and Tableau will immediately open a new, blank story canvas for you. Once your canvas is ready, you can start building your narrative by adding story points. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of all your existing worksheets and dashboards. Think of these as the building blocks for your story. To add your first story point, just drag a worksheet or a dashboard from this left pane and drop it onto the main area of the canvas that says Drag a Sheet Here. This creates the first scene in your story. Above the canvas, you will see a box where you can add a caption. This is very important. Use this space to write a clear and concise title for your story point, such as Overall Sales Performance for the Year. To continue your narrative and add the next part of your story, you have a couple of options. You can click the blank button to add a new, empty story point where you can drag a different sheet, or you can click duplicate to copy the current point, which is useful if you want to show a slight variation, like adding a filter to the same view. Let's add a new blank point and drag another dashboard onto it, perhaps one that breaks down sales by product category. Again, remember to add a descriptive caption like Product Category Sales Analysis. By doing this, you are building a sequence that your audience will follow step by step. You can also add more context with text. Below the caption for each story point, there is a larger area for a description. You can drag a text object from the left pane into this description box to write detailed explanations. For example, you might write, "Notice that the technology category consistently outperforms other categories." This text helps you guide your audience's attention to specific insights within the visualization. Finally, you can customize the appearance of your story. In the story pane on the left, you can adjust the layout and navigator style. You can choose to show your story points as captions, numbers, or simple dots. You can also change the size of the story canvas to perfectly fit your presentation screen. When you are happy with your story, you can enter presentation mode by clicking the slideshow icon in the top toolbar. This allows you to click through your story points just like a presentation, telling a compelling, data-driven story to your team or stakeholders. And that's how you create a powerful narrative using stories in Tableau. It's a fantastic way to transform your data from a static report into an interactive and insightful presentation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective Tableau tutorials. See you in the next one.